after 11 months and about 5 days, we did it. 1,000 subscribers. I really want to thank you guys for that. It's been really awesome. And this is a milestone I've been looking forward to ever since I started a little less than a year ago. Really exciting. I want to give you guys a quick update on the Chevelle project. But first, let's go outside and check out something else I've been working on. Well, I finally put the Fairmont up on some jack stands and changed the starter, but it wasn't just as easy as that. I had to pull the header loose because that dang starter down there would not come out from the bottom or the top, but that's all right. Went ahead and I made a new cable, and I'm just kind of getting all the wiring put together right now, put back together that is. And check this out. Got my cool custom made starter cable. I actually had these pieces of shrink wrap made at Wire Care. Really cool thing, and I think it turned out awesome. And I can't wait to put this together and maybe make some more cables. I might give it a new alternator cable and stuff, and so that's gonna be looking sharp. But just working on getting this car together. Maybe we'll do a little celebratory burnout here in a little bit. But like I said, let's go check out the Chevelle. All right, cool. Let's check out the Chevelle here. So in the last video, you guys might have seen me do most of the main structure of the roll cage in here, but I've been working on doing gussets and getting everything mostly welded in, at least as far as I can from the bottom of everything. Getting stuff welded in before I put the gussets in too, just so that I can get to them nicely. But what you've also probably noticed is all these funny car bars. So we changed directions a little bit, decided that we wanted to go with the curved helmet bars, number 44 and 45 in the SFI book. The owner of the car wanted just a little more room for the seat to go back in, and is considering going to a full containment seat later down the road, or maybe as soon as this car's up and running. So just wanted some extra room for that. And also I've been working on the harness bar and the other two little bars that kind of connect everything. So 48, 46, and this will be 47 SFI wise. And you can just kind of see I'm working on fitting all that stuff up and getting it kind of final fit in the car. I also had to add this 42A because when you curve these bars, you just have to add this according to SFI. So that's what the next video on the Chevelle will be about, all the funny car hoop stuff. I also have been working on a inner forward funny car bar that'll kind of go around the driver and all that. So that'll be in that next video as well, and I hope you guys are looking forward to that. Hopefully that'll be coming out in the next couple of weeks. Sorry to take so long on that, but I just have to do all this work and film it all and then edit a video and get it out to you. So I'm gonna try to make it quality, and it'll kind of take off right from part 2, and that'll be part 3. So I'm looking forward to putting another video up about the Chevelle soon, and hope you guys are looking forward to it too. But let's check out a celebratory 1,000 subscriber burnout in the Fairmont next. Again, I really want to thank you guys for liking and subscribing to the channel and watching all my videos and leaving comments. I love hearing from you guys, and it's just been awesome to get up to 1,000 subscribers in less than a year. I'm really looking forward to building the channel even more, and again, really appreciate you guys watching. Let's check out that burnout. All right, cool. I've got everything hooked up to the start solenoid and got the battery hooked up. Changed the oil. It needed it anyway, but checked it out. It looks good. Got the plugs in and the filter and all that. Only thing that's left is to go ahead and see if it'll fire up. Battery might be a little low, but we'll see. Yeah, here's the fuel pump. Yeah, it's not firing off. Oh, charge it up and try it out after that. I've got the jumper box on there. Let's see if it'll turn over. Oh yeah. right, that sounded good. Let me make sure it's not leaking any kind of fuel anywhere. Sometimes when carburetors sit around, the accelerator pumps can get a leak, and looking pretty good. I know it's primed up because it's got that electric pump. And I can hear the squirters going. Cool. Let's try starting this thing up. No gauges to look at. Used to have a Holley Sniper in it. Took it out because it started just dumping fuel down, and put that 650 double pumper in it. Look at the fuel gauge, I guess. Yeah, cool. Whole thing started up. I obviously have a lot of cleaning up to do and tuning up to do in this thing. It's always shaking around like that when it's running, but it's a fun car anyway. I'm gonna put it down and we'll do a burnout. That'll be fun. There's still some tire left. Let's go for a bonus round. Well, that was pretty awesome. Hope you guys enjoyed the celebratory burnout and the bonus burnout. And that was a good time. It's good to have that little car running again. It's been sitting around for a while, just waiting for me to get around to it. Just like a couple of things you guys might recognize in this building. I am thinking about getting back on the Nova pretty soon. It needs funny car hoop and all that kind of stuff. So hopefully we'll be checking that out soon, as well as working on the Chevelle, and still plenty to do on the Cutlass. I did get my linkage all hooked up, so that's really cool. But regardless, plenty more stuff to do on that, and we'll be checking it out on the channel. Hope you guys are looking forward to it. Well, the sun's gone down and it's dark now, but I want to give y'all a really quick garden update. Haven't really updated that in a while, but I was able to pick a watermelon. I'll put some pictures of it up, and check that thing out. It's kind of skinny, but it's real long, and looking forward to cutting it open and maybe trying it. Just got one big one. The other couple that grew kind of rotted and didn't get very big. I was turning them and trying to keep them good, but I got one out of the deal, so that's pretty good for a first real try. I've tried it before years and years ago and got a couple little ones, but hey, maybe next year will be even better. So I'll be looking forward to that. Until next time, y'all take care, and thanks for watching.